We're going to be learning how to earn over $450 every single day, and the way that this is even going to be possible is by finding a very strong app that you're able to download for free, and we're going to be getting into that right now. All this money will be raining on you, and you won't believe it, but it's true. So get started. You must. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. First, you're going to download free stock images using our first app. Then you're going to upload those downloaded photos on our second app, and just like that, money. The more images that you're able to download and upload, the more money you could be making. You won't need videos or websites. You won't need to do any affiliate marketing. You won't need to do any selling. You won't need any referrals or even social media. All you're going to need are these two apps that we're going to be showing you today that'll literally only take about 10 minutes or less of your day. Just make sure you have a smartphone or a computer and, of course, a stable internet connection, and you're pretty much set. If you're wondering if both apps today are available worldwide, they are, so don't even worry about it. Our method for today will accept all payment methods, but we suggest using PayPal since it is the easiest. It's 100% free, so you should have no worries at all. As always, we're going to be walking you through this entire method, so make sure that you watch this from start to finish so you don't miss anything, and let's jump right into it. This is our website, and it's called up-load.io. And basically, the way you make money on here is by uploading 3,000 images. Whatever you upload, someone else downloads, and that's how you get paid, by how much downloads your image gets. It doesn't matter if you're sleeping, traveling, or eating. You could be earning $6 every time someone downloads your image. Let's read the features really quickly. Up-load.io works under a model called PPD that allows you to receive money payment depending on the downloaded files that you get. Also, our platform works under a model called PPS that allows you to receive payment depending on the sold files. You need just to upload your files and share it. The minimum payout is $3. It is increased depending on payout method. If you want unlimited download for same IP addresses, you can use their premium plans. Now, when a user is registered with your referral link, 15% of his profits will be credited to your account. Payments are made via PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, and Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Also, Payoneer, and payment charges will be deducted from user balance if applicable. We pay daily, average 24 hours to maximum 7 days, except weekends and holidays. Note our payout rates are dynamic and depend on the advertising income that we receive, so sometimes the prices can increase/decrease for some countries and raise per 1,000 download. So that's basically that, and of course, some payment proof right here so you guys know that people are actually getting paid and this isn't some scam or whatnot. I want you guys to first let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us in case there are videos that you guys want to see in particular. Let us also know what devices you use, if you're an Android or an iOS user, and while you're at it, comment down below where you're from because I enjoy reading your comments and I'll try to respond to all of them. So let's head back. Now it's time to sign up, and to do so, you're going to click on sign up right here, and then you should see this, wherein you're going to provide all of the details being asked of you. So your username, your email, your password twice, your payment info, which is super important, and then choose your payment method as well. Confirm that you are not a robot, then hit on register, and just like that, here's your account. As you can see, this is your dashboard, and basically everything about your account you can find on here. This is how much you can upload, how much money you've earned, and literally everything, which is great because you can see it all in one place and you don't have to go elsewhere just to find these statistics. There's an affiliate link, but like I said, you don't need to do any affiliating, but if you want to, you may, but that isn't the focus of our video for today. If you click on upload files, it's going to take you to here where you can obviously upload your files. There's file upload, remote URL upload, and copy files, so those are the options. then you can see your files when you click on the My Files button, which for us is still empty because our account is new. But if you add files here and you are looking for any files in particular, you can easily look it up, which is super convenient, and we love that. Reports will just show reports, and that's basically it for the rundown of this website. Just so you guys know what to expect and what you're going to be dealing with. Now you're probably wondering, where are we going to get our images? Images that other people would want to actually download. Well, we're going to get into that right now, but before that, if you guys are loving this video, make sure that you like and subscribe because it really helps the channel. Also, please don't be shy to comment down below if you're loving our video so far, and if there are any changes that you'd like to see, make sure that you comment that down below too, because we will definitely read them and take note of them. Anyways, let's finish up today's video, shall we? Open up a brand new tab and type in Pixabay.com, and this is how their website should look like. Stunning free images and royalty-free stock. Over 2.5 million high-quality stock images, videos, and music shared by our talented community. You can easily look up any photo it is that you want. If there's any photo that you want in particular, click on that photo, download it, and it'll be downloaded straight into your computer just like that. So let's say I want this photo. So you're going to click on it, download it, and then go back to upload.io. Then upload my photos there when I click on upload files. And just a reminder that you can upload as many photos as you possibly can, as many photos as you possibly want. So make sure that you really use this to your advantage, because again, the more photos you upload, the more money you can make. And Pixabay has millions of photos, so literally take everything if you can, because the money that you're going to be earning will be insanely huge that you probably won't even be able to grasp. And before we end things, a quick recap. The first thing that you're going to do is that you're going to open up Pixabay.com. You're going to look through all the photos. Look through the photos that are trending, because those are most likely the photos that other people would want to look for and download from you. So you're going to go on Pixabay, look up trending photos. You're going to download about 10 trending images. Any at all, you can choose whatever you want. Then you're going to open up up-load.io. You're going to create an account. And as soon as you've created yourself an account, you can upload the 10 trending images that you had just downloaded into your device and start earning. And just like that. So you have to make sure that you try this method out, and you have to make sure that you follow all of the steps correctly, appropriately, properly, the way that I taught you in today's video. If you missed anything, go back to it. I promise you're not going to regret it. I know you're going to regret the fact that you did not watch this video thoroughly, or you did not pay attention closely, because at the end of the day, if you missed something, if you did something wrong, you're not going to earn the money that we initially promised you. I've told you this a million times before, so it's better yet, you just listen closely, follow the instructions properly, so that your efforts will not be wasted. So if you guys don't want that to happen to you, just follow everything and you're all good. So that is it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.